Hey everyone, it's Chris from Marketing During Tough Times. Thanks for stopping by. It is Wednesday. Wednesday is startup day. And on startup day, I usually take you through my startup formula that you can find on TonyRobbinsMastermind.com. This is step 9 of the startup formula. And this is where we look at the operational aspects of your business. Operational aspects of your business mean like every operational aspect of your company. So it's managing your staff, or how you do your interactions with your customer service, or how you follow up with leads, those type of things. The easiest way to do this is you want to create systems for all these tasks within your business. So what's a system? Think of it as a recipe or a formula, a simple step-by-step process that people follow so that things get done the way you want them to get done. They create consistency in your business, and they also free you up from doing the task. When I started my performing arts school, I did everything. Like I answered phones, I scheduled appointments, everything. And it was exhausting, and it was probably not the best use of my time. So the first system I created was, here's how I want the phone answered. Once I had the system perfected, I then created one for here's how the scheduling is done. And that ended up being a software actually that does that. I brought in someone, I trained them to follow the system for answering phones and scheduling appointments. I no longer answered phones or scheduled appointments. The system saved me from doing these tasks and enabled me to have time to do other tasks. I wrote all these systems down over the course of many years, and now I have an operations manual, and it's hundreds of pages long. I mean, it's a big, thick book for every possible thing that could happen in the company, but I didn't write it in a day. I wrote it over a long period of time. So now you need to create systems and operations manual for your business. It seems like a giant task, and you're probably like, I don't want to do this because no one really wants to do this. So start with something simple. List the top 10 daily tasks that happen in your business and write one by one a simple, 4 or 5 step formula, 4 or 5 step system for each of those tasks. And then as you bring people in, you can replace yourself with the system. Someone else follows the system, you no longer have to do that task. Now, once you have your systems, once you have your operations manuals up and running, you're not done. You can actually constantly be trying to improve the operations of your business. So how do you do that? You test, you track, and you refine. You're simply trying to find a better way to do whatever it is done in your business so your business is constantly getting better. Now, I'll give you an example. We talked about this before. In marketing, we do this all the time, test, track, and refine. So you do a Facebook ad. You run 2 ads. At the end of the campaign, one ad's a winner, one ad's a loser. You keep the winner, you test another ad against it. You run the campaign, test, track the results. One's a winner, one's a loser. You're constantly trying to improve your marketing. It makes sense. In the operational aspect of your business, you do the same thing. So every single task in your business, you're constantly trying to improve it, and you improve by test, tracking, and refining. So I hope you find this video today helpful. I hope you're not overwhelmed. A great book to read about systems, the guy who really sort of started the idea of systems, is a book I talked about last week, and that is by Michael Gerber, and it is called The E-Myth. And he sort of lays out the formula for creating systems in your business. So check that out. I hope you find today's video helpful. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.